Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today's video gonna be short tutorial on how to deposit Solana on your Photon's wallet. Now to do this, the process is really simple, quick and easy. Just follow the steps I'll show you guys in this video. And if you guys haven't started using Photon, I'll provide a link in description from where you can go and access this platform. And now we have logged in. This is the main interface on Photon. And on the right side, you will see this wallet management option. We'll head over to wallet management. Now in wallet management, we will head over to my wallet section in order to see the wallet given to us by Photon. Now this is the wallet's address. We can copy this address and this is our current balance. Now we can head over to deposit section right here. And once we are on the deposit section, here we have three options: split, specific amount, and deposit with MoonPay. Now in order to access Photon, you need to have your Phantom wallet connected to it and have some Solana in your Phantom wallet. Now after that, we can simply head over to this specific amount section, copy this wallet address that we copied earlier. So we can simply paste in this address in our Phantom wallet. From there we can directly send Solana, and we can simply do this by wrapping in the amount, and it will automatically send a request to your Phantom wallet to deposit this amount to your wallet provided by Photon. So I'm going to show you in a few seconds. I have my Phantom wallet extension on my Google Chrome. I'll simply go and open up my Phantom wallet from there, and once it is open, we'll go and select send, select Solana, and we'll paste the address that we copied earlier and enter the amount that we want to send. For example, this, and we can go and select next, and from here just confirm the transaction and wait a few seconds. We need to wait a few seconds here, and now our transaction is successful. Once we're done with that, our transaction details would appear right here. From there we can see the transaction that we just made to our wallet, and from there you can head over to my wallet section and see your updated balance. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope the video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.